Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will walk you through the process of setting up a Linktree account. To begin, visit linktree.ee or use the link provided in the description below. Once there, locate the text field and enter your chosen Linktree username. For this example, I am using checkmark.tutorials. After typing it in, select the Claim Your Linktree button. This will open a new page where you can finalize your registration. Just make sure the username you picked is still available. Next, provide your email address and hit Create Account. Now, set a secure password and click Create. On the following screen, enter your personal name or your business name before clicking Continue. You will then need to select a category that represents your profile. I will choose Education, but pick whatever fits your needs. You can also select an optional subcategory like Learning, or simply skip it. Once done, press Continue. Now, review the available subscription options. While there are several premium tiers, the free version usually includes all the essential features you will need. If you do decide on a paid plan, opting for the annual billing cycle offers a significant discount. For now, I will select the monthly free option and click Join for free. Proceed by clicking Continue to my Linktree. To activate your account, you must verify your email. Check your inbox for a message from Linktree and click the Verify Email button. This will redirect you back to the site to confirm your status. Simply sign in to finish the process. You have now successfully set up your Linktree account. Great job! If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.